today without landcruiser. With a heritage dating back over 60 years, landcruiser is one of the most iconic vehicles in automotive history. Let's find out why with a few highlights. As Toyota's longest-running model, landcruiser's story stretches from its consumer debut in 1954 to its premium status today. From the legendary FJ40 to the next-level luxury of the 80 series, landcruiser has always defined Toyota quality, durability, and reliability. This incredible history has earned it a loyal and well-deserved following all around the globe. 6 decades of constant refinement have led to the landcruiser Heritage Edition, a limited model with an exclusive exterior, classic badging, a third-row seating option, expanded cargo capacity, and so much more. Landcruiser's capability is first-rate when driving off-road, with a tough body-on-frame construction that can handle seriously rough terrain. The vehicle relies on a kinetic dynamic suspension system with hydraulic stabilization, and it also features the latest Toyota traction technologies, including crawl control, off-road turn assist, and a multi-terrain select system. Even though landcruiser has a rich heritage as an off-road powerhouse, it offers tremendous on-road comfort as well. The all-leather interior trim features ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, a power moonroof, and ample room for passengers. Of course, a true luxury vehicle needs to feature the latest convenience technology, and landcruiser certainly delivers on that front. The vehicle's standard 9-inch touchscreen features a 14-speaker JBL synthesis audio system with a subwoofer, and it also comes standard with 4-zone climate control, Qi wireless charging, and much more. landcruiser also sets the gold standard for SUV performance, with a mighty 5.7-liter V8 engine that produces 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. Plus, landcruiser is rated to tow up to 8,100 pounds. Finally, landcruiser boasts advanced safety technology to help keep everyone safe on trailblazing journeys, including Toyota Safety Sense P, 10 standard airbags, and blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert. Honoring previous generations, the 2021 landcruiser continues Toyota's incredible legacy with an exceptional driving experience, serious off-road prowess, and a heritage edition that pays homage to the vehicle's legendary reputation. Now factor in its luxurious interior and cutting-edge technologies, and it's clear that landcruiser deserves its legendary status. And with great ownership perks like the 2-year Toyota Care no-cost maintenance plan with roadside assistance, this timeless vehicle is ready for life's next big adventure. Visit Toyota